In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an admin to a school community group. We'll take you through each step in a straightforward and easy to understand way so you can quickly manage your group without any hassle. Let's get started. To begin this process, we need to open a web browser and perform a Google search for Skool. This will bring up a list of search results. Click on the first link. This should take you directly to the Skool website, which is where you'll manage your community group. Once you're there, make sure you log in with your account details. Simply enter your username and password and click the login button. After you've logged in, you'll want to locate the menu. You can do this by clicking on the arrows located in the upper left-hand corner of the page. When you click on these arrows, a sidebar or drop-down menu will appear. This menu is your gateway to navigate various options and settings available to you as a school community manager. Within this menu, you'll see a list of the communities you're involved in. Find and click on the community where you want to add an admin. Selecting your community will take you to your community's main dashboard, giving you access to all of its administrative features and member lists. With the community dashboard in view, direct your attention to the Members tab. Click on it to view a list of every individual currently part of your community. Here you can manage memberships, roles, or other member-related settings, which is where we'll carry out our admin adding task. Now look for an option labeled Membership. Click on this to view detailed membership options. It's always reassuring to know exactly who is in your community and what roles they currently occupy. Once inside the membership section, you'll notice a small but crucial option labeled Change. Go ahead and click on this. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see a list of different permissions or roles available for members. One particular role stands out, Admin. Clicking on Admin will let you assign this role to a selected member, granting them administrative privileges within your school community group. And that's it. Remember, adding an admin allows someone else to help you manage your community, so choose someone you trust and who can contribute positively to your group's activities. Hopefully this guide makes the process simple and successful for you. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below, and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for tuning in, and have a great day managing your community.